Hello, and welcome to the 7th video in the IAF eReading tutorial series. In this video, we will explore the IAF eReading mobile app and understand how you can access e-resources, search content, read full text, save resources, and use personalized recommendations. The IAF eReading app is available on both iOS and Android. To get started, go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for IAF eReading. Once the app is installed, log in using your registered email address and password. If you need to reset your password, you can use the Forgot Password option. In case you face any difficulty accessing the app, please contact us at support@refread.com or reach out to the Vayu Bhavan library. After logging in, you will first see your past readings, which give you quick access to resources you have opened earlier. Below that, you can explore IAF subscriptions section, which provides quick access to the major subscribed resources available through the platform. Further down the home screen, you will find the notice board, trending e-resources curated by staff, and daily news headlines. Next, let us look at the top stories section. These are daily news updates sourced from Press Reader. The headlines are updated every day. Click on the Read button to access the complete story. You can also use the calendar option to browse stories from previous dates. You can browse e-resources under the IAF subscriptions tab. Clicking on any publisher such as Taylor and Francis will load the e-journals available from that publisher. Once you find a resource you wish to read, click on the Read button to access the full text. The platform automatically authenticates you on the publisher's platform, allowing you to access subscribed content seamlessly. You can also explore e-resources by media type, including audiobooks, classics, ebooks, journals, magazines, newspapers, poetry, theses, and videos. Under Collections, you will find curated resources, index journals, and publications from defense and strategy think tanks. Now, let us look at search. You can perform targeted searches by entering keywords in the search box. For example, we can search for air power within quotes to search for the exact phrase. You can refine your search results using filters and sorting options. Results can be filtered by access type, media type, publisher, or language to help you quickly find relevant content. You can also save any search result to your reading list. Click on the three dots next to a search result and select an existing folder, or create a new folder to save the resource. All your saved documents, pages, and favorite e-resources will be available in the Reading List section. The For You section provides personalized AI-based recommendations based on your reading activity, searches, and selected interests. You can use filters to narrow recommendations by media type. You can add or edit your interest directly from the For You page or from the settings. In settings, you can also change your password and manage active sessions across different devices. This brings us to the end of the IAF eReading mobile app tutorial. Thank you for watching.